I think that when it comes to film, a lot of times we get in our own way, and if you really want to make that film or really want to submit it, you'll find a way to get past that roadblock to do it. So WIFI is the Washburn International Film Institute. That's what it actually stands for, but it's a film festival, a great opportunity for Washburn students, alumni, and then folks from all across the world to have their short films and features and all of that showcased here at the Topeka County Public Library and on Washburn's campus. I'm really excited for the Alan Holzman filmmaker presentation tonight. He is an established filmmaker, and he's always great to talk to and hear about his experience in Hollywood and working with Spielberg and all of that.
I think just since the film world is in such a state of transition right now, it can help to be part of envisioning the future of filmmaking and the visual medium.
This is the sixth year of WIFI. We've built little bits every single year, adding on more workshops, more everything. We haven't brought an actor here before, so that's kind of a goal, is to bring an actor that folks would recognize to WIFI. I think that would be really nice. Growing up in Kansas, there was no connection with the professional film industry, and it's gotten better, of course, but there's a lot of work still to be done to connect Kansas students with the film industry.
There's so much to be discussed and to learn and to achieve, and it's almost a situation where it can be, just a celebration of life.